In this video, it is BattleBot versus RC Truck. Can the RC Truck last 3 minutes in a battle versus the BattleBot, or does it get taken out? We have James driving the BattleBot. We have Logan driving the RC car. This is gonna be really fun. We're gonna see who wins. Is there something on the line? Like, who wins? Like, what do you win? Extra minutes of tablet time, or like an Oreo? The winner gets an Oreo. How about that? Winner gets an Oreo. All right, and we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. All right. James is firing up the weapon. Oh, what was that you hit?
Oh, the thing.
The spool?
Yeah.
All right, James is clearing out the obstacles that are in the way. Logan's running.
No. He's faster than me.
Oh, that was so close.
No.
Oh, that was so close.
No.
No.
Die. You must die. I'm sorry. This is your end. Oh my god. He's going insane. This lasted much longer than the last one. Oh.
James continues to take him out of the... Go. Well, he might have a moment. Oh, that was so close. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's cornered. Oh, he got away.
Oh my god. No.
I'm stuck on something.
I can't see you, so you have to turn it off.
Hey, I'm back.
Okay. There you go. All right, Logan, try back up. Go for it. Oh, he gotta hit it. Oh, he's upside down, James. Kill him. Get him. Oh, no. Oh, well, that's the door. Please don't hit the garage door. That's out of bounds. All right, does it drive, Logan? It drives.
No.
I never would have thought it would have still driven after a couple hits like that. Oh, he got him! Got him! Oh, there's a tire going. Oh, there's another tire going.
Here.
Oh, careful.
You got 1 minute.
1 minute left.
I think he's dead.
You know, you
Okay,
gotta
we need to reset.
reset. All right, we're gonna pause.
He looks like a monsoon.
All right. Uh-oh. So this is missing a whole wheel now. We missed a whole wheel. Does it move?
Rear-wheel drive.
Yes, it's rear-wheel drive. Yeah. So this is going to be dead, but can you put a tire back on this side?
It doesn't drive.
All right. Well, I guess we know who wins then. I guess we know who wins. That was better than I thought. Let's put it in the center and let's finish it off. All right, we're ready on you. So now we're going to finish it off. Oh, it's laying on its side. Oh, it's going to fly.
We're going to high power.
You know, come around this side. Hit it from this side.
We're going this way.
Take this out. Because you have the tires in it. If you go this way, you may literally just shoot it. Oh, you missed! Oh!
I can still see it.
Roll it back this way.
Sorry, I'm working on it.
Thank you.
Oh my,
Okay, bye-bye.
It's already a carcass. Look at it.
That didn't take long.
Took the wheels and tires off pretty quick.
Let's hit the
Well, that didn't do very well, did it? To the victor goes the spoils. Ha ha ha.